Manage your TaxDome subscription. TaxDome provides complete control over your subscription, allowing you to tailor it to best suit your needs. Your subscription is automatically renewed on its renewal date, which is by default 1 year after the subscription. But you can update it for 2- or 3-year licenses. You need to add a payment method for the automatic renewal to work. To do so, go to Settings, Team and Plans, Add Payment Method, and then enter your card details. You can either pay by U.S. bank debit or by credit card. Once you have added your payment method, you will see the Billing Details section below it. Information stored there will appear in your subscription invoices. From here, you can change any billing details you need, and you can access and review your invoices anytime from the appropriate section, the Invoices tab. With the Update button, you can add a new payment method anytime, as well as change or delete existing ones. If your payment for a subscription renewal fails, your subscription will be locked, and you, your team, and your clients will lose access to TaxDome until the payment method is updated. You will see a notification of this after you log in. To process your license renewal, click Pay. Select the team members you want to renew the subscription for. Select the subscription period for all selected team members, and then enter the payment details. Regardless of the number of firm members selected, it is always necessary to renew the subscription as the firm owner.